So we were going for this, but this is what we did. Stay tuned because we have high aspirations. One day we will do this.
But this is what we came to do. Today we're doing the elephant toothpaste.
All right, let's go over all of the ingredients.
Hydrogen peroxide. So the most important thing is hydrogen peroxide is actually oxygen and water that's together. And hydrogen peroxide is the water and oxygen together are weak. So when you really well, if you turn this into water, so we can make that flow happen almost instantly. And so you can trap bubbles in the tube. Then you can food coloring and just like this, just look as my tomorrow. We also put a proper awesome funny effect. But you're going to need some safety glasses and don't touch it at home. This is fighting stuff experiment. Yeah, Barry said the thing out.
Okay.
Alright, and there now. Look, hydrogen peroxide. It's water and oxygen that are together. The bonds that hold them are very weak, so after a while, they'll get oxygen. Now make sure you have new hydrogen peroxide. It's better to just buy at a store because old hydrogen peroxide will just be water and won't actually do very much effect.
Soap now.
Soap first.
They said 2 pumps about, so maybe a tablespoon or so.
Now, the most important now, let's put some drops of food color.
Turn it around so I can see the butter.
One of the most important things, you need to mix the yeast with some warm water as we have here. In there. Now.
Here, let Willem stir it first. We're using 3% hydroperoxide. Ideally for science you can go for 6%, but Walmart does not carry that, so we have to special order it. So stay tuned for the repeat video with 6% hydroperoxide so we can compare.
And it makes the reaction much faster.
See, this is already looking different. All right, are we ready?
If you want the reaction to be faster, you can use ion, but dry yeast like this is highly recommended.
All right, so wait, safety glasses, you got them? Okay, you're fine.
I also like this little truck. It's gonna get buried. Ready? It's gonna be a bit. Oh, man. It's like that. Whoa!
No, it says don't touch it.
Don't touch it. It's very dangerous.
We're
Don't
doing
touch
science.
Science! Look at the truck. It's like berries.
Yay!
It looks like
Volcano?
Yeah. Hydroperoxide and yeast.
Does it have the bubble?
That was
It's a
cool.
little hot. Whoa. Never touch the foam.
Lava.
It feels cold. It's very strange and I'm surprised it gets hot, but it's kind of become more acting like this. The next one we're going to do is a little polish of the system. Right now.
I say bye.